Hi everyone, Catholic certified trim healthy mama coach Christina here. I'm coming to you live in my kitchen. I am making myself some lunch. I just got home from first day of school, dropping off my kiddo and going to the first day of school mass and saying hi to other moms and catching up with an old friend that's in town, my friend Jenny. So it's so good to see her. And so I'm back home and I'm making my lunch because it's time for me to have lunch. And I am going to make a Smart Mama S-style lunch. I'm just doing a power bowl and it's with things that I enjoy. So, because I'm trying to mix up what I'm doing. So, the first thing that I'm going to add to my bowl is some greens. Because it's always good to have some greens in my bowl. And then I'm going to add half a cup of cauli rice, which has already been cooked up the other day, the last time I had this meal. I'm just using my measuring cup. If I was smart, I'd get out my scale, but I didn't think ahead of time. So there's some cauli rice, which is also going to help give me some protein. Next, I'm going to add some bell peppers, which I've already cut up the mini bell peppers, because those I always have in stock in my house. I'm going to add some mushrooms. As you can tell, I'm not fancy at all about keeping my mushrooms. They're just in a Ziploc baggie from the last time I used mushrooms. I'm just kind of breaking up my mushrooms in little pieces that are more bite-sized for me. How's your day going? Hi, Elizabeth. Hi, Mom. Yeah, it's kind of weird not having... My other kiddo went off to her program, so I'm at home alone, which is strange. So, adding mushrooms. And then I'm going to add some roasted zucchini, which I just did in my air fryer. Thanks, Elizabeth. Yeah, I enjoy going and seeing my hair person quite regularly. It's fun. So yeah, roasted zucchini. All it has is salt, pepper, and nutritional yeast. And then I'm going to add some olives, some Kalamata olives. Since it's an S, I can do that. It's a very healthy lunch, and it's super quick to do. And I'm going to add some rotisserie chicken. So I went to the store and just got rotisserie chicken and deboned it and put it in a Ziploc bag. So makes it an easy grab and go for me. Just breaking it up a little bit more because they're pretty big pieces. And then I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of feta cheese. And rinse off my spoon. And then I'm just using an Italian dressing that came from the Italian chopped salad. It makes a great dressing that I can use. Looks like it's time to make some more of that, but it's super easy. And then I'll just mix it around, but there's my lunch. So, oh, I was gonna add tomatoes. I figured out where my tomatoes went. Tomatoes are always good to add, so I'll add tomatoes, and then that's my lunch. So. There's my lunch. I'm going to mix in my salad dressing with a fork and enjoy it. Thanks. It's a really good lunch. Full of veggies, full of protein, and super quick and easy, which is what I'm always looking for. So thank you for joining me, Elizabeth and Mom, and I will talk to you later. If you're watching this on replay, #PowerBowl. All right. Have a great day. Bye.